Well, it was a little bit different, but still, it was a really difficult match. I think we showed some good tennis. You know, it was a lot of tough situation, and both of us came up with a great tennis in those big situations. So I'm pretty happy with this win. There are definitely things that I could have done a little bit better today, but you know, there's always tomorrow. But the way I fought, I really think it was good. Well, I don't think of it that way. I think there's always any tournament you play, you're gonna have some of the battles, and tomorrow can be the same. It's just important that today I came out as a winner, you know, in that tough battle. Well, this clay is completely different from anywhere else, you know, in the world, and it's definitely, you have to make some adjustments. It's really fast and it's very slippery. So, but you know, it's the same for everybody. You just have to really try to do your best and keep playing the way I was playing today. Yeah, I think we know each other pretty well, and tomorrow for sure is going to be another tough match. He's in a great form, and we'll see.